I started TikTok thinking I was gonna build some friendships and things like that, but be honest, I've only been doing it for what, maybe a couple months, and yeah, everybody's pitching stuff or just hanging out, talking to people, which is fine. I haven't really found a group that I fit in with or click with. And then you got the people that have a bunch of have a lot of followers and stuff. I was hoping to meet people and make some friendships. Maybe I haven't been on there long enough, and they almost don't want to let you into their group. Does that make sense? I get it. There's a bunch of people, bots and whatever out there, and trolls or so on and so forth. But I turned 59 this year. Sorry, I'm driving too. I turned 59 this year, and I've always struggled with friendships ever since after junior high, high school. I don't know why. Maybe I'm too picky. I've met a handful of guys and gals, mostly guys, friendships with guys that I thought were going to be my friends, and it seemed like it. And then after a short period of time, for whatever reason, they go their own way, or maybe somewhat I went my own way. I don't know. Struggle with it, some days it really bums me out, gets me down. And, so I started YouTube. I wanted to help people, and share my experiences and things like that. Be quite honest, I tell you, 59 now. My dad's 85. I can't help but think I'm on the last chapter of my life, right? 20, 25 good years if I'm lucky. I've been lucky so far. But, yeah, I don't know. There's a couple of guys out there that I'm kind of friends, but they go off and we do our own things, right? But I miss that, I guess. And anyway, just putting out a little bit of personal video out here, I suppose, trying to help people. And it just seems like people don't want really help nowadays. I don't know. It's just weird. What do you guys think? What do you do? Volunteer? Thinking about going into men's league, bowling league. I used to love to bowl, and you meet a group of people and you get to bowl against other people and that kind of thing. And maybe build some friendships that way. But now all of a sudden I'm struggling with my fingers. When I bowl a couple of games and then my fingers swell up and hurt. And so now I'm kind of bummed out, thinking that's not going to work out either. Or just leave something in the comment, would you? A little bit bummed out today. I think we all have those days, don't we? Anyway, thanks for watching. Peace out.